Unboxing the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with RC2 controller. The DJI Air 3 is a game-changer in the world of drones, packed with cutting-edge technology. Air 3 boasts the first dual primary camera system of the Air series, embedding a wide-angle camera and a 3x medium telecamera in a sleek and compact body. Air 3 offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, an increase of 48% compared to the previous generation. This provides plenty of time to explore, adjust compositions, and get the shots you want, all during a single flight. An omnidirectional sensing system enables comprehensive environmental awareness, allowing Air 3 to detect obstacles in all directions. The next-gen 04 HD video transmission system empowers Air 3 with dramatically enhanced transmission performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an aerial enthusiast, the DJI Air 3 is your passport to limitless creativity in the sky. Elevate your perspective with the DJI Air 3. Get ready to take flight.